Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Taweesak Phetkonchom. I'm from Data Science program, Faculty of Science and Technology at Naga University of Thailand. I'd like to present our research in the topic of forecasting air quality data using data mining techniques. This work is done by me, Mr. Thada Limkulakhom, and Mr. Wikorn Manawakrit. We are third year students and our advisor is Dr. Kairung and Dr. Supojn Hengpraprohm. There are 7 main topics to present. First of all, I'd like to give you an overview of air quality. Secondly, I focus on the purpose of the research. Then, I will talk about the research methodology. And after that, I will show the method of data analysis. Next, I will describe the research design. And then, the research result. And finally, the conclusion. Introduction. The pollutants are the result of emission from diverse sources such as traffic, factory, and burning farm. An extensive body of scientific evidence shows that long and short-term exposure to fine particle pollution, also known as fine particulate matter PM2.5, can cause premature death and harmful effects on the cardiovascular system, including increased hospital admission and emergency department visit for heart attack and stroke. Scientific evidence also links PM to harmful respiratory effects and including asthma attack. The ozone can increase the frequency of asthma attacks, shortness of breath, aggravated lung disease, and cause permanent damage to lungs through long-term exposure. If we can know how much the bad pollution is, we can manage our lifetime. And in this research, we use data mining techniques to forecast pollution damage level. We will show you how to forecast pollution level by using 2 data mining techniques, including linear regression and neural network. And then we compare the results of root mean square error from techniques. In this part, I'd like to talk about the objective of the research. The research aims to study the forecasting technique by using linear regression and neural network, and to compare the effectiveness of forecasting techniques in air quality dataset. I will give you the details of the data mining implementation process. There are 6 steps as follows. The first step, data understanding. In this phase, the air quality dataset which is used in our research is performed to check whether it's appropriate for the data mining goals. The air quality dataset is collected from data source. It's available on Kaggle website. The second step, data preparation. Preparing the data in the appropriate format to fix any data quality problems, such as managed with missing or duplicate data. The third step, data transformation. In this process, we have cleaning data. The fourth step, modeling. In this phase, 2 data mining techniques are used to determine data patterns. The fifth step, evaluation. In this phase, the efficiency of two forecasting techniques, including linear regression and neural network, are evaluated with forecasting root mean square error. And the final step, deployment. In this phase, we can use the base technique as the solution. And now, I will show you two forecasting techniques. The linear regression. Linear regression attempts to model the relationship between two variables by fitting a linear equation to observed data. One variable is considered to be an explanatory variable, and the other is considered to be a dependent variable. For example, a modeler might want to relate the weight of individuals to their heights using a linear regression model. And the other technique, the neural network. Neural network is a data mining technique that allows a computer to simulate itself, work to mimic the function of the human brain neuron that can be trained, learned through applying knowledge or skills. Practical application, it works in the form of a large number of simultaneous processing, which the techniques is one branch of artificial intelligence. In our research design, firstly, we collect the air quality from Kaggle website. After that, we divide the data into two groups. 70% of first record are grouped as a training set, and the rest 30% of record are grouped of the test set. Then we apply to forecasting technique including linear regression and neural network with the training set. Next, the models derived from the training state are tested with the test set. Finally, the results of root mean square error from both techniques are compared and reported. The result shows that neural network provide the best result with 6.55 in terms of root mean square error comparing with linear regression which gives the result of 7.08. In conclusion, in this research, the air quality dataset is used to study two data forecasting techniques, including linear regression and neural network, are used to find the best result of prediction. The results show that neural network gives the best result with 6.55 of root mean square error, while linear regression provides 7.08. That's all my talk. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question or comments, please send me your message and thank you in advance.